Understanding a dog's body language is crucial for effective communication and building a positive relationship with our furry friends. While dogs share some common communication cues, it's important to recognize that each dog is unique, and their body language can vary based on their individual characteristics. In this video, we will explore various aspects of dog body language, emphasizing the importance of observing the entire body and maintaining objectivity in our interpretations. The different aspects of dog body language. When studying dog body language, we can categorize the cues into two types: overt and covert signals. Overt signals are observable behaviors that can be measured objectively, such as the position of the tail, ears, and yawning. On the other hand, covert signals refer to things we cannot see, or unobservable feelings, motivations, and intentions of a dog, including fear, anxiety, and depression. Both types of signals significantly influence a dog's overall body language. Stress signals are physiological, unconscious behavior responses to stress, which can't be helped. There are two types of stress, with both still influencing the body: distress and eustress. Distress refers to negative or harmful stress, such as being worried and anxious. Eustress refers to positive and beneficial stress, such as excitement when expecting something good. While both types of stress can be observed in dogs in a shelter setting, our focus will be on distress, as it is more commonly experienced. Dogs also have different types of communication signals. The types of communication signals can be seen through signs of comfort, discomfort, and appeasement gestures. Signs of comfort. To better understand a dog's comfort level, it's essential to pay attention to specific indicators. These signs include body positioning, play signals, various appeasement gestures. Comfort cues can be seen through body positioning and play signals. Some signs of body positioning are ears held high and back, open and loose mouth with relaxed commissure, which is where the corners of the mouth where lips meet. Loose and relaxed body posture. Tail positioned at half-mast. Some signs of play signals are play bow, indicating a desire to engage in play and friendliness. Paw raise, inviting others to approach and play. Bouncy and inefficient movement. Humping or mounting. Humping is a normal dog behavior and does not necessarily have a sexual connotation, unless the dog is not spayed or neutered. Humping can be a sign that a dog wants to engage the other dog or person in play, or it can also be a symptom of insecurity, stress, inner conflict, or over-arousal. More signs of play signals are muzzle nudges or punches. They can be playful interactions like tag, you're it, growling, barking, or whining. It's important to note that growling, barking, or whining should be considered alongside other body language and play signals. Body checks. Bumping into the other dog's body to initiate play. A dog may lick the other dog's mouth or cheeks is a sign of appeasement, as if saying let's be friends. It is crucial to keep in mind that some comfort signs may escalate into over-arousal, leading to potential behavioral changes. Signs of discomfort. When a dog exhibits signs of discomfort, it indicates feelings of uncertainty, anxiety, conflict, or stress. These signs can manifest in various ways, including appeasement gestures, displacement behaviors, stress signals, and early warning signals such as fear, frustration, and arousal. Appeasement gestures. Like comfort signals, dogs may display appeasement behaviors or signals such as Increasing or decreasing distance to communicate non-threatening intentions. A lowered body. Curved body. Submissive grin. Blinking and squinting. Submissive urination. And showing their belly. When a dog rolls onto their back and shows their belly, they are not always communicating they want a belly rub. Dogs who show their belly in combination with play signals and relaxed body language are often indicating trust or a desire for belly rubs. On the other hand, if a dog taps out, they will show their belly in combination with fearful body language and stress signals, such as tail tucked, giving whale eye, or lip licking while on their belly. Dogs who tap out are usually communicating they are fearful or conflicted, and are not asking for a belly rub. If a dog taps out, it is important to give them space and allow them to be the ones to make the decision to get closer to you, otherwise a bite can occur if confused with a request for a belly rub. Displacement behaviors. Oftentimes when dogs are in conflicting or stressful situations, they display irrelevant actions or movements. This is known as displacement behavior. This behavior is usually displayed through shaking off the body, yawning, stretching, urinating, sneezing, scratching, digging, and licking and/or checking their genitals, also known as urogenital checkout. Stress signals. Some observable signs of stress in dogs may be displayed through sniffing, lip licking or tongue flicking, lifting a paw, sweaty paws, extreme drooling, teeth chattering, cheek puffing, whining, panting, hypervigilance, and repetitive and obsessive behaviors such as spinning or head bobbing. Calming signals. Dogs employ calming signals as a self-soothing mechanism or to calm other animals. These signals include stretching, yawning, shaking it off, head and body turning, avoidance, urogenital checkout, suddenly sitting or going into a down position, scratching, sniffing, water or pee breaks, lip licking, and paw lifting. When observing dogs combine calming and stress signals, it is best to give them some time alone and allow them to approach when they are no longer stressed, as these signals indicate the need for space. Responses to stress and trigger stacking. Dogs respond to stress in different ways, including fight, flight, freeze, fidgeting, which is shown through displacement behaviors, or, rarely, fainting. Trigger stacking may also happen when multiple stressors occur one after the other, or stack, in a short period of time, causing the dog to be closer and closer to a tipping point. Recognizing and managing these stress responses can help prevent undesired outcomes. Common reasons for biting. Fear, frustration, and overarousal are the most common triggers for dog bites. Signs of fear include body positions with ears back, head and tail low, weight shifted back, and a stiff body. Fear signals may also include dilated pupils, visible whites of the eyes known as whale eye, piloerection or raised hackles, and freezing in fear. Not all dogs will raise their hackles. If they do, they may also raise them in different parts of the body, such as the neck, back, the base of the tail, or the whole back. Raised hackles on its own is a sign of stimulation. It could mean fear, overarousal, or even excitement. So it's important to look at the body in context. Frustration and arousal signs include Ears alert and forward. Head and tail held high. A stiff or flagging body posture. Dilated pupils. And raised hackles. The major warning signs that a dog might bite are: hard stare with narrowed, squinted eyes, hard-edged pupils, constricted pupils, prolonged staring. Freezing where the mouth closes, breathes slowly, body tenses. Commissure is forward. Mouth is open, with molars showing. Snarling, lip curling. Muzzle punching is hard and escalating. Barking, snapping, growling, or lunging. It's crucial to pay attention to these warning signs and give the dog space by backing off immediately as soon as these signs are seen. Considerations for reading body language. Reading dog body language is influenced by various factors, such as the body structure of the dog, medical conditions, breed differences, and individual characteristics. For example, cropped ears and tails may limit the expressiveness of a dog's body language. Additionally, different breeds may have naturally floppy or pointy ears, curved tails, or even raised hackles, as seen in Rhodesian Ridgebacks. Understanding these breed-specific traits can aid in accurate interpretations. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding dog body language requires considering the context, observing the entire body, and maintaining objectivity. Keep in mind: context matters. Take in the whole picture. Always evaluate body language even before approaching a kennel. If you ever feel uncomfortable with a dog's body language, disengage. Dogs use their body language to communicate, and so do we. Ask questions. Dogs can display conflicting body language, and staff is here to help. Remember, respecting a dog's body language is essential for building trust and ensuring a harmonious relationship with our canine companions. Now that you have completed this video training, please follow the instructions to take the quiz. As a reminder, it is important you receive at least an 80% on the quiz, so be sure to reference the video of anything you may not remember. See you soon at the center.